The Straits Times Index closed at a record 4,208.26 on the 22nd of July 2025, with an intraday peak of 4,225.79 on the 21st of July 2025, continuing a strong upward run. STI's PE ratio is around 15, about one standard deviation above its 5-year average, approximately 13.5. It's slightly overvalued, but still reasonable, especially when compared globally, due to its stable dividend yield, approximately 4 to 5%, strong fundamentals from major banks and cyclical sectors, plus optimism around global growth and central bank policy. In June 2025, Asia saw $6 billion in foreign equity inflow for the second straight month, driven by expectations of Fed rate cuts and a weaker dollar. Singapore was a major beneficiary. Each 25 bps Fed rate cut could reduce bank earnings by 1 to 2%, squeezing net interest margins (NIMs), which already began falling this year. For instance, OCBC's NIM dropped to 2.04% from 2.27%. Loan growth is weakening. Industry-wide growth has flattened down. Trade-related lending, roughly 10% of banks' portfolios, has cooled. That limits future revenue beyond margin pressure. Yes, banks have raised provisions OCBC by 25% in Q1 to buffer against rising default risk. If global trade slows more, defaults and provisions could rise further. US-China, EU-US tariff escalations could quickly reverse equity inflows and weigh on export-driven banks. Middle East tensions or global shocks may trigger equity outflows. Stagger entries into 4 to 6 tranches over several months to manage valuation and sentiment swings. Example in action: 1. Today, STI equals 4,208 gives deploy 20% of your budget. 2. Drop triggered. If STI dips to approximately 4,000, trigger and invest remaining 20%. 3. Crisis anchor alternate. Alternatively, wait for a deeper drop, approximately 30 to 35% to approximately 2,800 to 3,000 before deploying the rest. Disclaimer: the information in this video is provided for educational purpose only and should not be considered as financial advice. Always do your due diligence or speak to licensed financial advisor before making investment decisions. Support by subscribing for the channel Quick Invest, quick and simple insights every Monday to Thursday. Like and subscribe. See you in next episode.